Well, here's a video of the fire truck. I also have it listed on eBay. See what how my camera does. It's not really orange like it looks in the viewfinder. Hard to see the gauges. Smart lights off of the fronts. Oh, we gotta get out of here. Let's run to the back now. Sorry. I jumped at the sound of sirens. That is currently the real gas tank. Holding tank is excellent. Pretty tiny. The real fire engine. If I can do it underneath. I don't know if it's showing anything, but I'll try. It's got a nice underneath. It's got a nice underneath. You know what? I have the keys on me. Let me see if I can get a couple of these. No plastic on it. There's a T9Z. Couple right there. Can't really see them. Let me see if I can start it. I give it a couple of pumps. Wait and stick my foot up there. Let's see. It's not a smoker. I am. Sirens, lights, whole 9 yards. There you go. Oh. Sorry. Alright, let me get this on YouTube. Got new headlights too, aren't those cool? Little flatties here. Everything works except the gas gauge. Thank you.